Hello and welcome to another video. This is natural gas daily chart. Last week we talked about this Elliott wave here, and I said this is wave 1, 2, 3, 4, and we are now in wave 5. Where is end of wave 5? Last week I said maybe near $2, but let's see today where is our support and where is our resistance this week. Before that, don't forget like and subscribe. Okay, this is wave 5. Okay, and wave 1, wave 2, wave 3, wave 4, and wave 5. Okay, if you have any question about this Elliott wave, my analysis, you can ask me in Telegram, Euro Jafari. Let's see lower time frame. As you can see, this is wave 1, 2, and here in this area we can put Elliott wave here in a lot of way, but maybe here is wave 3, and this is wave 4, and we wait for wave 5. Where is up end of wave 5? We don't know 100%. Okay, let's see lower time frame. This is 60-minute chart, and it looks like here is a good support for market, and I said here is wave 4, and we don't know here is end of wave 5 or no. If here is end of wave 5, we should wait for break this swing here, and wait for back here and buy position. But problem is here, is it wave 5 here or no? Wait, if here 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 here, maybe. As you can see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, maybe another low. I think if here is not end of wave 5, this is our target for end of wave 5. I can't say 100%, but if we have another low here, then bullish market. So if you want a good buy position, wait for another low here, and then here is this place for buy stop, and then bullish market. Don't forget money management, it's very important, and don't forget like and subscribe.